Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how do I update any FitGirl Repack game. I show you guys how to do it. First, you just need to know how the update works on FitGirl. I actually downloaded the first link. As you can see, the version you can actually update the version first this to this version, current version, and you can upgrade to this version. And the second one, then you just need to install the second one and the third one, guys. You can't directly jump to the third one, guys. That doesn't work, or the game will crash or not launch if you do like that. So the proper way to update is just updating the by the row, doing it one by one, one, two, three. That's way. And now we are going to update that. Go to downloads, and I have this first version, first one, and just right click on it and select a WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the folder, and now I will show the current version. Just right click and select open file location, and right click on the game and select properties. Go to details. As you can see, the version is 1.100, and after the update done, I will show you. And just double click on the application, update application, select more info and select run anyway option and select yes, select language and select OK, and select next and select next. And now select the destination location where the game is installed. Just need to select the location and then select next. The game is already exit. Would you like to install this to this folder anyways? Yes. And then select next and select the install option. And now uncheck this option, guys, the second option, and then verify all game files. That's optional. You can uncheck both or even check it. I'm checking that to verify the files. And as you can see, all status is done and files are okay. And now just click on exit and right click on the game and say open file location. And now right click and select properties. Go to details, and I will show the before screenshot of the file version, guys. Now it is 1.1.1.0, and that's how you can update a FitGirl Repack game. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.